Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to do emojis on PC. Using emojis on a PC makes your messages more expressive and engaging. Windows provides a built-in emoji keyboard that is quick and easy to use. This guide will show you how to use emojis on your Windows computer. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and log in. Open any app where you want to type, for example, a browser, chat, or document. Click on the text field where you want to insert an emoji. Press Windows key plus period on your keyboard. The emoji panel will appear on your screen. Go to the emoji section. Browse through different emoji categories. Click on any emoji to insert it into your text. Use the search bar and the emoji panel to find specific emojis. Then switch to GIFs, symbols, or cow emoji if needed. Click multiple emojis to insert more. Press Escape to close the emoji panel. Continue typing your message with emojis included. Use emojis in apps like browsers, messaging apps, or documents. Then practice using shortcuts to insert emojis faster. Tip: you can also press Windows plus semicolon to open the emoji panel quickly. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.